How to control aphids naturally. Experienced gardeners know that one of the sneakiest creatures in their garden are aphids. They are very tiny and can appear on your flowers and vegetables almost overnight. They come in many colors, colonize, and usually can be found on the underside of leaves and flowers. As they feed on your plant, it causes distortion and yellowing of leaves. The juices they leave behind will be sticky. Since they colonize, they can spread very quickly throughout your garden and ruin all of your hard work. You can control and kill aphids in a natural, eco-friendly and non-toxic way. Things you will need: water hose, pruning shears, garlic, spray bottle. Ladybugs optional. Inspect your plants on a regular basis. All this entails is to look for any unusual growth on your plants. Aphids like new growth, so check especially close where you have new growth. Blast the plant with a strong spray of water from a garden hose to wash off the aphids and as much of the sticky stuff, known as honeydew, they leave behind on your flower or vegetable plant. Water your garden on a schedule. Plants that are not watered regularly become weak and can be easy hosts for aphids and other garden pests. Prune away as much of the aphid-damaged area as possible with pruning shears without destroying your plant. Make a natural non-toxic aphid insecticide. Dice a clove of garlic and place in a plastic container with 3 cups of water. Put a lid or cover on the container and let it stand for at least 8 hours. You can put this in the refrigerator if you want. After the water has had a chance to be infused with the garlic juices, drain off the garlic. Put the garlic water in a spray bottle and spray the aphid-infested plants with the solution. Make sure you get under the leaves as well. This will kill the aphids and also act as a repellent. Release ladybugs, which are a natural predator of the aphid, into your garden. They will eat many of the pests. You can order them online if you can't find them locally. You can even keep them in the refrigerator until you are ready to use them. Make sure you water the plants you want them to go to before releasing them, since they are attracted to the water. Tips: warnings. There are also certain plants that attract predators of the aphids. Plant them close to the flowering roses and plants that the aphids are attracted to. Recommend that you refrigerate any remaining garlic spray for future use.